How to delete Gmail account. Easy tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to delete your Gmail account. First, log into your Gmail account and this is where you will get. You will have to go to the highlighted website right here. The link for this website will also be given in the description down below. You have to select delete your Google account. Now, enter your password. It will take you to delete your Google account. Keep in mind, deleting your Gmail account means you will also have to delete your data permanently. Read the instructions given carefully, then you have to check that you acknowledge and understand and you will be responsible for these changes. Hit delete account at the bottom and your Gmail account will be deleted permanently. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.